friends, it's me, Jonah, and I just finished making this BERNAT Alize Easy Garter Stitch Based Afghan, and it turned out amazing, and the yarn used is BERNAT Alize Blanket Easy yarn, and it is a wonderful yarn because it's loop yarn, which means you don't need a hook or needle to use it, and the color I have here is Bright Rainbow, which is one of the newer colors. And the stitches in here, just the basic knit stitch, and then the inverted knit stitch, which is the purl stitch. And I converted this into a baby Afghan. It is 30 by 30, and now I'm going to show you just how to do the knit and purl stitch. Okay, so, and well, the color here is actually bright purple, but to begin, you have to take your scissors and cut the thread at the base of the loops right here. Just go in right here and just snip it. Then you have a strand to weave in your ends. Then I'll begin with the knit stitch. And I'll count out 6 loops. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we'll take number 7 and push it up through the back of 6, just like so. Like this, and then you have these two strands right here. That makes your first knit stitch. Take the next strand in your working yarn and put it through the next loop on your strand. So then you have 2 knit stitches. Third one over number 9. Fourth one over number 10, like so. And then that was your first knit row. Now I'm going to teach you how to turn the row. Okay? It's the same stitch, but you have to just take your next loop and work back across the other direction. See? Just like so. Then you just got to keep repeating that to the end. Then you can just lay it flat, pull up all your loops. And then there's 2 rows of the knit stitch. Now I'm going to teach you how to do the purl. So you have to have your working yarn in front this time. And push your next loop on the working yarn up through the front, through the back like that. Up through the back. Next loop up through the back. Then if I just lay this down and pull up these 3 loops, you see those purl bumps forming right there. Okay? Now just to do that 4 more times. Boom. Here we go, and then this, you just completed our row. You'll pull up all the loops and you can see the ridges. Now the working yarn, just for our next row, is just showing you how to turn the purl. Same thing. Just stays in front. You just go up, through the back, up, through the back, up. Just like so. There we go. And then you can just lay that flat, pull up all of your loops, and then you have 2 rows of the purl now. And now I'm just going to show you just quickly how to bind it off. You just take your first loop here, put it over the second and out, first loop over the second and out, and you just keep going like that, boom, boom, boom. And then when you're done, all you have to do is just snip out the thread loop base and then just pull it through. And now you've learned how to do the knit stitch, the purl stitch, and then the bind off. And you do the knit and purl in different combinations. More knit, that's how you get the spaces. And then that is how you make the BERNAT Alize Easy Garter Ridge Spaced Afghan. And yeah, so there it is. And just reminding you, this is the color Bright Rainbow. There is a ton of colors in this beautiful loop yarn, and there's 3 ridges and then 5 rows of knit. So now you know the repeat pattern. And just telling you again, I converted this into a baby Afghan size. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and goodbye and crochet away, friends.